Take down heading as page onload authentication pop-up. Page onload authentication pop-up. First, I need to open the browser, open the URL, open the browser, and I need to open this URL. I need to open the browser and I need to open this particular URL. After opening the browser and URL, if I want to enter the username and password, until unless I give a valid username and password, even the home page of the website also won't open. Even the home page of the website also won't open. Until unless I give a valid username and password, even the home page of the website also won't open. Before the page loads, it asks the authentication. You cannot even see the logo also. Before the page loads, it asks the authentication. But if I want to do right click and inspect, I cannot do that right click and inspect here. But how to overcome this? That is what we are going to see. See, imagine that the username is admin. Username is admin and the password is manager. Imagine that the username is admin and the password is manager, right? In that case, if the username is admin and the if the username is admin and if the password is manager, what I can do when you are opening the browser and URL itself, you have to pass the username and manager. To pass the username password. You have to pass the username and password. You have to pass the username and password. Pass the username and manager. You have to pass the username and password here. Until unless I give a valid username and password, you cannot open even the home page of the website also. If I want to pass the username and password, this is the syntax. double forward slash https colon double forward slash username colon password at the rate domain or IP address. Domain or IP address. Domain or IP address. This is what the username and password. Until unless I give a valid username and password, it won't even open the home page of the website also. So that what I can do, right click, go to new, go to class, demo, page download, WebDriver, WebDriver, driver equal to new Firefox driver. Window dot maximus. When I'm going to use driver dot get, right, what I'll do, I'll pass this URL itself directly here. So that if the username and password is correct, see, even I don't know the username and password. Only the these are very high secured applications. No one will give the username and password until unless you work in the real time environment. Basically, wait 30 dot seconds. Run this. Yes. If the username and password is correct, it would have not opened that pop-up itself. How do you handle page onload authentication pop-up? By default, Selenium cannot identify the page onload authentication pop-up. To overcome the problem, we can pass the username and password in the URL with this following syntax. This is the one. Page onload authentication pop-up. By default, Selenium cannot handle page onload authentication pop-up. To overcome the problem, we can pass the username and password in the URL with the following syntax. Take down this. Make it quick, quick. Who is that? You are not there in the class till now. Okay, follow the video, Pavitra. Yeah, that is what for old version we don't want to do that. That is what I said you in the working with different browsers topic. Mm. Mm. I said you the reason also there why. Mm. You're done. Let me know it's done. We'll go to the program. Later the source. Take down next heading is file upload pop-up. File upload pop-up. Now first I need to open the browser. Then I need to open the URL. I need to open the browser, open the URL called krninformatics.com/sample. After clicking on this choose file, I'm getting this window. This is a file from Windows. I want to go to D drive under classes under batch 298 under this practice folder. Under this practice folder, I need to go to this. I need to upload this home.jpg. I need to upload this home.jpg. This is what I have to do. This is what I have to do. After clicking on this choose file, after clicking on this choose file, I need to upload this file. How to upload this? This is what we are going to see. After clicking on this choose file, if I want to select the file, I cannot do right click and inspect. I cannot do right click and inspect. Just hello, na బయలుదేరేనా ಇಲ್ಲ ರೆಂಟ್ ಕಡ ಹೋಗ್ಬಾರ ಗೊತ್ತಾಗ್ತದ ಏನ ಕನ್ಫ್ಯೂಸ್ ಹೋಗ್ತಾರೆ ಸರಿ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಮಸಾಲೆ ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸರಿ 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 ಸಾಯಂಕಾಲ ಸರಿ ಹಾಂ ಸರ್ I need to upload this file. But after clicking on this choose file, if I want to select the file, right, I cannot do right click and inspect. So that what we can do here, then going and selecting each and every time it will not fall in the same folder. Based on the previous history, it will fall. So that what I can do, I can view this. If I want to choose a file, then what I can do, I can open. This is all. Oh. After clicking on this choose file, I have to give the complete path, then click on open. But after clicking on the choose file, if I want to give the complete path also, I cannot do right click and inspect. I cannot do right click and inspect. How to overcome this? That is what we are going to. How to overcome this? That is what we are going to see. After clicking on this choose file, use the complete path and click on open so that it. How to do that? Let me open the browser. Go to new, go to class, demo, file upload. File upload is very easy. File download is quite difficult. Let me open the browser and URL. This is how I can open the browser and URL. Let me open the browser and URL. ID equal to browse. Variable dot find element by dot ID equal to browse dot click. If I want, I can go with dot click. If I want to type something, I can go with dot send keys. If I want to click, I can go with dot click. If I want to type something, I can go with dot send keys. But either I'm not going to click or else I am not going to type. Okay, in that case, what I have to do, either I am not going to click or else I am not going to type. Sorry, I want to click on this. Sorry, I want to click on this. But can I use send keys for the button? Can I use send keys for the button? Is it possible to use send keys for this button? No. Can I use send keys for the text box? Can I use click for the text box? Yes, I can use. Nothing will happen. If I use click, nothing will happen. But can I use send keys for button? No, that's not possible. Click, if you click on text box, it is just going to click. But typing doesn't happens for the button. But if it is a file choosing button, I can use send keys. If it is a file choosing button, I can use send keys and pass the full path of the file as an argument to send keys and pass the full path of the file as an argument to send keys. Yes, done. And pass the full path of the file as an argument to send keys. Open the URL. And pass the full path of the file as an argument to send keys. How do you do file upload in WebDriver? We can use driver.findElement to find the element and use send keys and pass the full path of the file as an argument to send keys. See, how do you do file upload in WebDriver? We can use driver.find element to find the element and use send keys and pass the full path of the file as an argument, see, so that it will upload. Take down this. Okay, take down this. Okay, let's quickly reconnect the meeting, guys. I'm going to give you the interview questions next. Okay. Now, since we are done with more than half of the course, I'm going to give you the interview questions for the first half of the syllabus, whatever I've did it. Interview question. Okay. Here, up to this, how do you do file upload? First 30 interview questions you can take down. Only the questions I am giving, don't ask me the answers. I'll give you the answers at the end of the course. What is the difference between QTP and Selenium? What is the drawbacks with the Selenium ID? How many element locators are there in Selenium and what are those? What is the difference between single forward slash and double forward slash? Like first 30 interview questions. Take down the questions. Don't tell that I will take the screenshots. Just take down this.